Uh, good evening. My name is Cristian Chavix. I'm from 6th Electricity. At this moment, I have the pleasure to present my final project for the English course. I thought that be Genealogy, which consists of a brief explanation about the technology that play us at this time. I have the pleasure of representing. Number one, the red Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi network helps us in these times, especially in the times of pandemic, since which it can interact in the world with the new technology, and it helps us to understand and be informed about our surroundings. I'm number two. Number two, telephone is a very useful tool science with. It can communicate from different parts of the world. Can also learn from this technology and use it for the common good. Number three, television. The television is one of the communication since it has been evolving and remodeling over the years, and helps us to have a full-size family living together happy moments as well as taking care of the science mind. People do not have the possibility bench able to have it, and they can't have a. Number four is the radio. Is in an informative medium. My sons this does not help to be able to inform use of what happened. Of course, I not ever in Israel. I something different information. I could become false, and that we continue to be disabled by the authorities as well as distracted us. I will that words be. I thank you very much for attention. Happy night. I'm sorry for not speaking English correctly. I'm sorry. Goodbye. Thank you.